Today I'm going to show you how to replace the power button in the Hoover WindTunnel Vacuum. This is for the T-series wind tunnel. They all follow the same instructions. So this is the wind tunnel, and if you have a vacuum cleaner with a press button like this one, just follow the instructions. 4 screws to remove, they are on the handle. And then there's also a bigger screw right under the blue label. All you have to do, take the screw out. All the screws are the same size except the long one in the middle. Geniusly, they decided in a plug and play unit. So this is what I mean. Instead of a long power wire all the way up to the power switch, this is actually a power unit that you can pull the handle out. After you pull the handle out, lay it down on a flat surface and carefully separate the two plastic parts. Don't force it, otherwise you might crack the plastic. But once it starts opening up, you can carefully pull up one side of the handle. There's a spring that's sitting on top. Don't lose it. That spring is just sit on it. The red thing is the power switch button that you need to remove, and that is removed by pulling it out from the 2 terminal. The switch is readily available on Amazon. At the end of this video, I will show you the part numbers. Once you replace with the new switch, put it back in the reverse order. The spring just sit on top of here, and then you cover up the 2 units together. Once you cover it up, put the screw back on in the reverse directions. Don't tighten it too tight or else you crack the plastic. Now you plug it back in. And with all the screw back in, you can turn it back on. So here's the part numbers for the power switch. Hope you liked the video.